answer to why do we need cloud computing? Why cloud computing, right? Let's see a scenario where we could understand where cloud computing is useful. This is John. John has this brilliant idea of creating a social media website. He's very excited about it because he wants to create something similar to Facebook or Snapchat or Instagram, and he's quite confident that it will be quite successful in a market. But soon he is a little worried. Let's see why is he worried. He's worried because for him to start working on his dream idea, he will require a lot of resources. He will require a lot of servers, a lot of storage devices where he could store this huge amount of data. He would need a dedicated staff of people for maintaining this hardware, and he'll also need to figure out the application security, the encryption, and a dedicated network as well. So all these activities or all these resources, he has to figure out how can he get these resources for him to even start working on his application, right? So in a nutshell, these are the challenges I see that John is facing. The first challenge is high setup cost for launching. All the resources that we see are quite expensive. Some of them are very expensive, some of them are less expensive, but still he will require a high setup cost to launch his application. At the moment of launching, of the moment of making the website live, he will require all these resources running on full capacity, and that will require a lot of funds, a lot of financing. So that's a huge first challenge which I see in his idea. The next issue or the next challenge I see is that, let's say the application is successful. So the more successful the application becomes, the more are the number of users going to enroll or going to sign up for that application, right? So as number of users increases, the data increases. So again, more resources, more servers, more storage systems, more staff. That means again more cost. So cost plays a very important role and is a big challenge for John, not just to launch his application, but also for sustainability, to sustain and grow his application over the period of time. This is Angela. Angela is an IT specialist with huge experience implementing new products, understands product implementation lifecycle and its challenges. And Angela also happens to be a friend of John. So John discusses all his challenges with Angela. And Angela, based on her vast experience, she is quick to respond with a solution. She thinks that a cloud-based application development or a cloud-based solution can solve all the challenges that John is facing at this moment. Now, John doesn't believe in Angela upfront because he is not aware of what cloud is. So, what Angela shows is the benefits of cloud computing by comparing it with a traditional on-premise data center. Let's see those differences and let's see those benefits. First difference: higher upfront cost of setup in an on-premise data center environment. We've just discussed that, we've just seen that, right? That for him to launch his application, he needs a high upfront cost of setup of all the resources. But in cloud, it's the opposite. For him to launch his application, he doesn't require any upfront cost. In fact, how it works in cloud is that you pay as you go. So basically you pay for only the resources that you used. You do not have to buy any hardware with huge capacity, and it may happen that you are using only a fraction or only a few percentage of that entire hardware. But in cloud, you pay as you go. That is a beauty of a cloud-based solution. Whereas in on-premise data center, there are no automatic updates. So it is the staff that John is going to keep, that they are responsible for maintaining all the automatic updates to the software and to the hardware as well. But in cloud, all the software updates are automatic. Even the hardware upgrades are automatic. They use the most recent, most latest cutting edge state of the art hardware technologies, and also all the softwares are maintained by the cloud service provider. Lack of flexibility to upgrade in an on-premise data center. So if you want to upgrade your hardware or if you want to upgrade your software, there is a huge process or huge overhead involved in it, right? Because you have to procure new hardware, which requires again upfront cost. You have to procure new licenses, which again require huge cost. Whereas in cloud, it's extremely highly flexible to upgrade within just a few clicks. Like within literally few minutes and a few clicks, you could upgrade your hardware to a extremely high performance hardware solution, and you could also upgrade your software to the latest solution. That's a benefit of cloud. Again, in on-premise data center, you have to appoint a dedicated staff for your data center maintenance. Since you will be having all the servers, all the storage devices, all the network equipments, routers, and all the other resources, you need a dedicated staff to maintain that. But in cloud, you don't have to maintain any staff, since all these hardware resources and all the software are maintained by the cloud service provider. Data cannot be accessed from remote in an on-premise data center, but in cloud, data can be accessed remotely over internet using the web portal. So for you to access the data present in cloud, all you need is the internet connection. That's it. With just a simple internet connection with a good speed, of course, you can access your data which is present on cloud. You can make changes, you can modify it, you can do whatever you want. But that is not the case with on-premise data center. The data cannot be accessed remotely. It requires you to log into a specialized system which can access your on-premise data center. So with all these benefits that Angela explained to John, John is convinced. John knows that cloud is the best solution, and he can implement his dream project and launch it and also sustain it for future with the number of users being increasing. So he is very happy, and now he can work on a cloud-based implementation. This is a scenario where we saw why cloud computing can be useful and how can it serve so many different startups, so many different product companies, where it can save such a huge amount of cost and also add more flexibility to your operations. And this is why a majority of the companies right now in the market are migrating their existing data centers, their existing applications to a cloud-based solution to get all the benefits that cloud provides.